So here it is, guys. This is my old Nexus 4 that I picked up off the Google Play Store pretty much immediately after it became available. Um, it took me only a few days to get it, which is pretty impressive, considering that I live in Hawaii and shipping's always a nightmare out here. So let me show you some things. For the most part, I feel like the 4.4 upgrade is when you first look at it, it looks like a very minor change. A lot of stuff look very similar. They did away with that blue look, and it's all these light gray icons now. For example, the battery life and all this signal bars and everything. Um, let's see. So yeah, Google Hangouts are integrating SMS into it. Which will make it more convenient. You can use it as your messaging app, so you don't have to have, for example, your Hangouts app and messaging. It's all smashed into one. Let's see, let me show you some stats about the phone. It's Nexus 4 running 4.4. This is Rascarlo's Rastakat build from XDA. I've been using this for about a day and a half, 2 days, and everything seems to be working. I haven't really checked, for example, like the printing. I don't know if that works, but for the most part, everything seems to be working. It's very impressive. It looks really nice. It's really extremely smooth. Let me show you let me show you all the stuff that I have open, and we can switch to it immediately, and it's extremely quick. Oop, I already opened that. That Instagram, switch to the camera. Oh, that's not the camera. Switch to the camera, and seems like the camera app is similar to what I have used in 4.3.1. where you can hold down and all these icons come up, or you can do that. Yeah, blah blah blah. I'm sure you guys have seen all this before. Another thing I want to talk about is everyone's been saying they've been integrating Google Now into this a lot more, and it's true. You swipe it all the way to the left, and you can see all your cards. And like they've been saying, you can access Google Now anywhere as long as you're on any home screen. So, for example, on this one, or well, obviously that one, but so if I say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, OK Google. Hang on. Okay, guys, sorry about that. So I'll show you how you can get into Google Now from any home screen. At the top you have the persistent search bar that says for you to say OK Google. OK Google, how long will it take to get to work? And I've input my work information and everything, and it'll tell you, it'll have all your cards and everything saved. So you can say something like, I was really impressed because in the past, of course, living in Hawaii, some of the location names are kind of awkward, and so when you would search with Google Now, it'd kind of get confused and like it would break up a Hawaiian word into like several English words, and it was just really weird. So here, let me show you what I mean. So OK Google, how long will it take to get to Kaneohe? See, that's what I mean. It would just be really awkward, and Canada, Kaneohe to Canada, so that's kind of weird. So, OK Google, how long will it take to get to Waikiki? And of course something like that works now, and it's pretty nice. I can even go ahead and do something like, OK Google, how long will it take to get to Eva Beach? and it will search how long it takes for you to get to Eva Beach now, as opposed to before they would say something like, I don't know, Evil Bay or some shit like that. I have no idea. Okay, Google, how long will it take to get to Kapolei? Yeah, that's what I mean. See? How long will it take to get to LA? I don't know. Okay, Google, how long will it take to get to Kapiolani Community College? And there you go. I found that it helps to add certain words into it to help it. For example, if you just say Kapiolani, it probably will not be able to pick it up. But if you say something like Kapiolani Community College, it may have a better chance of picking up exactly what you mean, as opposed to just something random and fucking weird. So, yeah, I mean everything is working pretty well. I'm, pretty excited. There's obviously there are other features that are deeper than what I've just showed you, but um, at first glance, it's not that big of a, it's not a huge update to where like when iOS 6 went to 7, but there are a lot of improvements under the hood, and trust me, if you just used it and just felt how quick it is in your hand. And it's great that they're doing this. I mean, they're trying to also support older devices as well, so the operating system is less stressful on older devices as well, which I find is really great. um, so if you like this video, hit like. If you have any questions, or if there's additional things that you want me to show you about the phone, I mean about the operating system, the phone is old, but about the operating system, let me know. I'll respond to you. I'll make another video. Whatever, just let me know, and thanks for watching. Okay guys, so if you guys do decide to flash this ROM, I want, I'll include all the links below and everything. I just really want to make sure that you guys have the latest twerp, um, for the best results. I did run into a little bit of a problem when I had an older version of twerp. It took me quite a while to fix it, but I did fix it eventually. But it was a huge hassle. So yeah, I will provide the links below to this ROM, Rascarlo's Rastakat on XDA. Um, it's it's a pretty great ROM. Yeah, and it has a lot of it has a nice feel to it. So, like I said, I'll provide the links down below. I'm using the Paranormal Android G apps for Kitkat 4.4, so keep that in mind as well. Thank you for watching.